Hello guys, I'm going to show you today what's inside the old iPhone. So let's open. This is old iPhone 6 Plus, and it's running but don't have charge, battery is flat. So let's open and see what's inside. Here is the too many things like battery, motherboard, speaker, charging port, here is speaker, and here is LCD. This is SIM tray, and this is the volume up down silent button, and there is power on off switch. So let's see. I just open the LCD connector. This is the display. It exactly look like the old iPhone display, like iPhone 5, 6, 7, 8. All of them like plus until 8 like this display. After 8 like X and others latest model, the display is another. I'm going to show you the next video later. So here's the display, and this is the battery. Let's open the battery. I'm going to open with this opener, because if I'm going to try to open with this, the battery going to be dead. It's not going to work. So let's open. There's glue inside, so it's sticky, but can open it. See, I told you the glue is too much strong and sticky. iPhone glue is too much sticky. But I don't have Falcon right now. If I'm going to put some liquid, then it's easy to remove the battery. But almost I'm done. There is a logo, you can see. Too much sticky. Apple logo. See? This Apple logo must be there. Like this. So this is motherboard. Same thing. Here is camera. Let's open the camera and see. There is one screw. Let's open. Sorry. This is the camera clip, and here is the camera. You can see the camera. See, this is the camera, iPhone 6 Plus. What is the thing? Nothing else. The charging port, the speaker, sound speaker. This is SIM tray. The things, flash. This is the flash inside. And here is the display. This is finger sensor. It's come with flex from this side. This is ear speaker. You can see that the ear speaker. And here is the phone camera inside. You can see phone camera. Let's open and see the phone camera. Here is the speaker. You can see the speaker. This is the ear speaker. And this is the camera. See the camera. This is front camera. This is the iPhone, old model iPhones. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. Like and share.